I bought this diversity receiver to put on my cruising drone, but after taking the top plate off, I was overwhelmed with a bout of laziness, and I just do not feel like soldering it up right now. So what I'm going to do is just cut back the heat shrink, take this antenna off the front. Alrighty, so here's what I've come up with. It's not the most elegant solution, but it does get my antenna way up there and out of the way, so I think it's going to give me pretty good reception for just a single antenna. I just mounted it on this generic box cam mount, so I just switched everything out. Just reheat shrunk my receiver, took a little sliver, made a wedge of AMA grip, put it underneath there, zip tied everything down, and then heat shrink the antenna to a zip tie. I think that's going to work out pretty good. It's going to work out pretty stinking good. We'll see. Definitely looks ridiculous, but it's up. I got about 20 degrees of tilt. It's perfectly up and down while I'm going to be flying, so that's great. We'll see.